Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos on Nichi apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Nichi apps. If you don't have Nichi apps, you can download first at a Google Play Store or at the App Store. And after this, in here you can open your Nichi apps. And then at the Nichi apps, you can use the template for edit your photos. In here, you can choose the template that you want. I wanna try to add this template, so you just click on it. Okay, in here you just click on allow. Okay, waiting, and after this, in here you just click on this plus button, and then you can choose the photo that you want to add. I want to choose this one, and then click on import at the bottom. Okay, can click on this one again, and you can choose this one maybe. Okay, this one, and then click this one. Okay, and now you can save the photo, so you just click on the save at the top. Okay, you want to save the template. Okay, click confirm and finish. You can open your gallery, and the photo has been imported to your gallery. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.